Pueblo County Alert. This is the Pueblo County Sheriff's Office. The entire community and town of Beulah and Rye are under mandatory evacuation for a wildland fire. 3R Road to Crow Cutoff, Waterbarrel Road, and Burnt Mill to I-25 is now under mandatory evacuation. Evacuate all of Rye, Beulah, 3R Road, Crow Cutoff, Waterbarrel Road, and Burnt Mill. Fire is moving very fast. Please be prepared and evacuate quickly. A shelter at 1650 Cooper Place in Pueblo County has been established. If you need assistance evacuating, call 911.